Enabling biometric login on your Skrill account can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Update the Skrill app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Skrill app installed on your device. Go to your device's App Store, search for Skrill, and update if necessary. Step 2. Log into your Skrill account. Open the Skrill app and log in using your existing credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to enable biometric login for. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security Settings option, which is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the Security Settings, find the option for biometric login. This may be labeled as fingerprint or facial recognition. Toggle the switch to enable this feature and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your Skrill account and then attempt to log back in using the biometric method you just enabled. Ensure that your device recognizes your fingerprint or face correctly for a seamless login experience. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on your Skrill account, enhancing both security and convenience.